This is the £10 Temu watch. It is the $10 Temu smartwatch. How does it compare with the Apple Watch Series 9 on the left over here? Let's see. So I think the Apple Watch is probably going to be first, let's be honest with you. Apple Watch at 109 BPM. $10 Temu watch at 84. Nowhere near it. But let's get on with this video and let's check out the watch. Let's see what we think about it for £10. You know, $10. Damn, this is pretty cool. Yeah, mad. Hey guys, this is TNN and welcome to the first episode of cheap Temu tech under £15, around $15. We got this smartwatch. Don't know too much info about this smartwatch. Let's pull up the ad on Temu itself. Here it is. Smartwatch fitness tracker, 4.65 centimeters, full touchscreen, wireless calling and messaging. This is it here, £11.49. It's various in different colors: pink, gold, silver, and black. We've got the black one with us, and I mean, there's not much to it really. You can control your music, got different watch faces. Apparently, it can take the weather, remote camera. It's got all the basic features that, you know, the cheap smartwatches have, but I mean, for £10, that's crazy. You can get a smartwatch for £10 these days, which is insane. This is the box it comes in. Really cheap, really basic box. One thing about this smartwatch, the battery does die pretty quick. I've literally got it on charge now. Literally in the box was the charger and the watch, which I'm charging right now. So let's go ahead and let's let it charge up and then we can have a look at the watch. This box is absolutely rubbish. Now, I ordered a lot of stuff from Temu, so I just had to double check the price that I actually paid for this, and it was £5.97, so £6. $6. Well, actually, to be fair, if you convert £6 to dollars, it's actually different, but roughly, you know, that's insane. So it was, I mean, it's selling now for like £11. Like, it's actually, I bought it for £6. So I don't even care if this is rubbish. I can tell already it does not know how to read your heart rate. I'm pretty sure it just gives a random number between 80 and 90 from all the tests that I'm doing. But for £6, that's insane. This is the charger it comes with. It's pretty short cable, USB Type A, magnetic charger, cheap plastic, the usual crap you get with these cheap smartwatches. I have to say the battery dies pretty quick. Probably lasts just about a day, if that. Maybe I'm giving it too much credit here. It doesn't last a day. It lasts about half a day. The strap, yeah, it feels cheap, looks cheap, but does what a strap's meant to do and keeps it secure. So that's a good thing. I don't know why there's these little vents thing on that side, because it only needs it on one side really, but I guess it's a design aspect. Yeah. So, compared to my Apple Watch, it's got a bigger screen. That's up. Look at that. It's a massive screen. The colour contrast is completely off though. Look, I mean, as soon as I direct it on the camera, it just looks all white. But when you angle it, that's the true colour. Green, white at the bottom. Yeah, the colour is nowhere near Apple Watch. Power on, power off button there. Got like a microphone on the side. Got the heart rate sensor. Who knows if it's actually sensing anything. I mean, if you saw the start of the video, don't think it was pretty accurate. To connect to it, it's pretty easy. So you click on the little barcode thing here. You scan that, or you download the HRY Fine, Hairy Fine, the Hairy Fine app. Once you download that app, I'll show you what it looks like. Pretty simple app, really. Tells you your steps. You can log your exercise, but you know, this is actually using the app, not the watch technology, to log your exercise. You can add your own goals. Yeah, it's really basic app, but I probably wouldn't rely on it too much. It's probably not that accurate. I mean, it does something, but it's probably not as accurate when compared to like the Apple Watches. And we've got another ad. Every time you quit the app and you open it up again, you get another ad. I don't know what game is. It's got an app store. But I think these games are maybe you download it on your phone. Oh, it's just got a bootleg version of Cut the Rope on the actual. That's strange. Yeah, okay, we'll just forget we didn't see that. No copyright issues there. Let's get on straight with the watch. It's got a few cool features. So, I mean, you got your normal, typical watch features. I mean, the color on this, I mean, it looks awful, but it looks like this. But when it's on the screen, it looks really bad. We got WhatsApp, Twitter. If I'm honest with you, none of these actually work. I don't know what the penguin is. If you know what it is, put it down in the comment section. I think that one's WeChat. We've got the weather app, which is pretty cool. Calculator. Always love a calculator. Drink more water, but it's got a picture of a coffee cup instead of water. They could have just had a glass of water, but they chose to use a coffee cup. Walk more. I mean, you can see where they got the icons from. This is literally Apple's design. It's got quite a few features, man. You got the calendar, you got a torch, which doesn't turn on and off. It just constantly stays on. We've got a car here. Don't know what that is. Oh, it's a little game. Don't crash the car. You crash the car. Pretty cool. You got to find your phone. I mean, that is a really okay. It doesn't stop until you actually go on it and stop it. Okay, now that's stopped. Wow, that was annoying. Voice assistant. What's the weather like today? Right, good chat. Pretty cool. Yeah, that don't work. Different app styles. Okay, so you can't actually move the apps around, but you can choose preset app styles. Erase all data, factory reset. That is a dangerous button to just have there. Bedside lamp. Brightness. Contacts. Settings. Yeah. There's really not much to it on this watch. You've got a few different watch faces here as well. I have to angle it so that you can actually see the color of the actual watch face. So we got this one. Oh wait, how do I do it? Swipe. Got this one here. Tells you how many calories you burnt, how many meters you walked, and how many steps you've done. Got this one here. Don't really know what this tells you. I'm guessing this is steps. Got this one here, which is pretty cool as well. Tells you your heart rate. Got this one here with that analog style clock. Chronography. Fancy. And then back to this one. That's pretty much it. It's pretty thin. It's pretty lightweight. For £5.97, it's pretty cool. Is it the best watch? Hell no. Definitely not. Is it worth £5.97? Definitely. It's pretty cool. I mean, if you're going to gift it to like a kid, they're going to love it. And it's a good like introduction to like smartwatch and technology for kids and stuff. For £5.97, it's pretty cool. I'm going to give it a 5 out of 10. And yeah, I'd say this is decent. It's a good. Temu did good this time. So yeah, that's pretty cool. Yeah. If you're interested in purchasing it, link to buy will be down in the description. It is gone up in price, but I'm sure you can probably find another one on Temu. The same thing for a different price. If you can't find the link in the description, my voice just went weird there. But if you can't find the link in the description anymore because they've unlisted it, just search smartwatch and they got so many on Temu. I'll just put a Temu link down below in the description as well. As always, don't forget to comment, like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.